Okay, we found baby birds and we're gonna raise them as our own. So here they are. There's Jacob with one baby, and then there's Molly with another baby. We're trying to teach them how to fly right now. This is what.
My finger. On the stick. Get on the stick. Get on it. On the stick.
Yes, this one is a bye-bye. Who's this one?
Get off.
I'm standing up straight. I'm not doing my usual.
We found them in our neighbor's yard.
Okay, Hannah, put them on here. Come on. Hannah, put them on here.
Come here, say hello. Say hello. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's see if you'll fly. Come on, baby. Come on. Flap your little wings. See, don't do so fast. Maybe you face them in a different way. There you go.
Yeah.
They're probably just like, oh no, he fell down.
There we go.
Come on.
No.
Oh, you fell down. I personally think they're too small to learn how to fly.
Look, he has like fuzz on his head.
But look how tiny he is in my hand.
It's okay, birdie.
We haven't named them yet, so
I named mine its name is Bird.
no, it's not.
I named
We
him
named it Feathers.
How about
I
that?
named it Bliss.
Yeah, Bliss, like Bliss Feathers. That's.
I'm gonna
So
name
that's
him after
Bliss.
the famous restaurant, Red Robin.
Jacob, no.
Yes. Did you say Red Robin?
Okay. Well, Bliss is right there. Bliss has a red fingernail, pink fingernail, and then Red Robin, which is named. I'm gonna call him Alaska. His name has no colored fingernails. You're just so cute.
That'd be cool if we found cardinals.
The mother pushed the nest down and abandoned them, and then we found one frying on the sidewalk, but it was an egg one.
It was like a little skin one. It had no fin on it. It's nasty.
Okay, so say bye, Jacob. Say bye, Molly. Oh no! Okay.